Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stabilizing the chair, flip it over and secure the base so it won't roll. Apply penetrating oil where the gas cylinder meets the base and let it soak for 5–10 minutes. While that works, remove any plastic covers and loosen retention clips or circlips with a flathead. If there's a retaining ring, pry it out gently. Once the lubricant has set, position the wrench on the collar and prepare for controlled force. Don't rush this step. You now focus on freeing the cylinder. Clamp the pipe wrench firmly around the gas shaft, just below the seat mount, and counterhold the base. Give measured taps with a rubber mallet to break the seal while steadily increasing torque. The combination of vibration and turning force loosens corrosion. If it resists, apply more penetrating oil and allow 10–15 minutes, or use localized heat from a heat gun to expand metal. Make sure to protect plastic parts. You finish by cleaning the socket and cylinder contact surfaces with a wire brush and wiping with solvent. This ensures a solid fit for the replacement. Insert the new gas lift straight in and press down while seated to test travel. Make sure any retaining clip is reinstalled. If the old cylinder won't budge after repeated oil and heat cycles, consider cutting it lengthwise as a last resort. Be cautious of sharp edges. Troubleshooting tip: if wobble remains, check for debris or bent components.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.